From the very beginning, we have sought to improve the way we live. Through numerous eras, civilizations, kingdoms and communities that have characterized our country's rich heritage. Our sole purpose has been to make our world more efficient, productive, accessible, while empowering the underprivileged and the deprived. With every leap of progress, we have evolved a distinct pattern. A pattern of seeing, mapping, understanding, and acting to design, build and improve the systems around us. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and Digital India is that one big step that we envision will transform the country in times to come. It is a vision of digital empowerment and knowledge economy for every citizen of the country by providing infrastructure for digital connectivity and enabling real-time e-services right up to the village level through innovation in technology. Icegov focuses on the use of technology to transform the working of government and its relationships with citizens, businesses, and other stakeholders in order to improve public governance and its contribution to public policy and development. And in that sense, Digital India and Icegov share the same vision. And if this vision can impact 1/6 of the world's population in one go, it is only natural to have the Icegov conference at a place like that. India, with its population of 1.3 billion, intends to make a difference to humanity through digital empowerment. And whatever we thought of the rules, principles and dynamics until now, we are now in a position to outthink. Outthink complexity, outthink competition, outthink risk, outthink disease, outthink our biggest challenges, and outthink the limits of what's possible. Today we have more tools, more technology, more science at our disposal than ever before. So what belief can we now build? Which actions must we take? How will we make the world work better? India is ready to join the dialogue. India is ready to explore new frontiers and come together with its counterparts to find the solutions to our world's biggest challenges.
Let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you for Icegov 2017, which India will be hosting. I look forward to see each one of you and contribute so that it becomes more competitive, more efficient, and definitely enduring to the citizens of this country. Welcome all of you.
Icegov 2017, New Delhi, India. Come, shape the future with us.